Meaning of hairpin turn.
Hairpin turn.
Hairpin turn.
Hairpin turn.
Hairpin turn. A hairpin turn is a sharp, U-shaped bend in a road or track that requires a vehicle to drastically reduce its speed and make a tight turn. Hairpin turns are often found on mountainous or hilly roads where the terrain is steep. They can be dangerous if not navigated properly, and drivers must exercise caution and control while navigating through them. Hairpin turns are often used in car racing events as an exciting challenge for drivers to showcase their skills and control. Overall, hairpin turns are a unique and thrilling aspect of driving that requires skill and focus to navigate successfully.